go. Another round of Christmas gifts. Wait, Sarah, wait. You soon get yours, okay?
Du coup, c'est quoi votre partie aujourd'hui, c'est ça? Pas aujourd'hui, il n'y a pas tout aujourd'hui.
Sarah, look. Look. See here. Stella, back up. Come all the way back up here. Up here. Sarah, open it. Open it. Another round of Christmas gifts from the other side of the family. Wow, Sarah. It's a baby. It's stuck in.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Et au revoir, tonton.
T'es sage, toi? Oui. Même en 2023, hein?
Oui.
Ok.
On s'appelle.
Au revoir, monsieur.
Là, je vais chez Adeline pour consulter le docteur rapido.
Ah. Docteur Bouraba?
Docteur Bouraba. Bon, allez, passez.
It's time to move to the next location.
Ah, il y a quand même un vitrine.
Ouais, ça c'est.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night here.
Regarde,
Leaving our
la toile,
brother-in-law.
attends,
Merry Christmas! It's Christmas.
Ah ouais?
Yes.
Bah, elle est plus vieille que toi la voiture.
Leaving
Attention.
my brother-in-law unto my mother-in-law.
190.
Off to the grandma for Christmas Day. Today is December 25th, 2022, and my throat is still hurting me, but I'm coming to you guys with a nice little Christmas vibe. Look at him. Boy. So yeah, it's a brand new day. Hopefully you guys are enjoying your Christmas day. When you guys see this, it will be long gone. Baby, say Merry Christmas and good morning.
Merry Christmas, people, and good morning, all of you.
It's not this you were supposed to be wearing today, you know? It's your Christmas sweater you're supposed to be wearing today.
Okay.
I'm just remembering now, because I wasn't the one who took out your clothes, it's you took it out. Anyway, the kids are there, but we're gonna make a quick little stop at my sister-in-law before I go to my mother-in-law, because my sister-in-law's baby daddy is a doctor, and Sarah been crying for her ears. Yesterday we had to go to the pharmacy and get something for her ears, and she also has some little bump on her skin from last week that's itching her, so he's gonna take a look at that for me. I won't vlog though, but I would just tell you guys, I'm just gonna make a quick stop and then go to my mother-in-law, where it's gonna be another round of food, another round of festivities, and another good moment. So enjoy today's vlog. Merry Christmas again to everybody, and thank you guys for riding with us another year. All the love and all the blessings, and hopefully you guys were all on the nice list this year. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below if it's your first time joining us, and if not, keep riding as usual, and we'll see you guys throughout the rest of today.
Tire la langue, regarde.
Stick out your
Tire la
tongue,
langue.
Sarah. Go back.
Tire. Regarde,
ça petit chien.
regarde la langue.
Chien.
C'est le chien, tu veux qu'on en trouve un autre? Attends.
She is tired. Apart from in the car.
C'est du mélange.
J'aime bien de vrai, mais c'est tout.
Compter.
Ah. Hello, here we go. Another round of Christmas gifts.
Attends.
Wait, Sarah, wait. You soon get yours, okay?
Du coup, c'est quoi votre party aujourd'hui, c'est ça? Pas tôt aujourd'hui, il n'y a pas tôt aujourd'hui.
Sarah! Sarah, look! Look! See here? Stella, back up. Come all the way back up here. Up here. Sarah, open it. Open it. Another round of Christmas gifts from the other side of the family. Wow, Sarah! It's a baby. It's stuck in. Take it out. Wow. Look. It's a big baby. You want to take it out?
Qui est ce papier? J'aime pas c'est-à-dire.
Chou. Elle pourra lever. Tyler? Tyler? Ah ah.
Maman, regarde, c'est bien, merci. Ouais, ben je l'ai trouvé, j'ai dû. Il a retrouvé sa partie.
Wait, it's right here. Look, look. Baby is here. Open this one. Elle veut juste ça. Et ça, elle finit, hein.
Joyeux Noël, mon petit.
Il est où mon bébé? Here, Sarah, here. Too much to capture. I can't catch everybody. Wow. Wow. Oh, Sarah. It's to cook the pizza. Wow. Tyler, where are your gifts? Tyler, don't open that. Don't open that. Okay.
Eh ben le cadeau il a bien été choisi, hein.
Ouais,
C'est bon, une
C'est bon. Ça va, Fares.
Tyler, tu veux me donner Je les garde.
Oh là. Chaos in this house. Chaos in this house.
Donne un Jérôme, s'il te plaît.
Énergie combat.
Ça va?
Oh là. Sarah again. Sarah. Wait. Doucement, Sarah. Oh là. Wow. Wow. C'est qui a donné ça? Ah. C'est cool. Wow, Sarah.
C'est des chocolats, je ressens que c'est des chocolats.
Wow. Look. Oula, I can't keep up. Oui, j'ai vu. Merci. Tyler. C'est pour Kenzo là.
Quoi, du Raffaello ou du...
Put it behind Kenzo. Put it beside Kenzo.
Mais alors celle que t'as mis devant lui. Moi je sais pas si lui a acheté ça, mais ça lui plaît. C'est quoi?
C'est qui? Choupi. La mamie du merci, mamie.
Sarah.
Oui, Tyler, il y a Singa Tanana.
Maman.
Elle aime Choupi. Oh my God. Sarah. Ah, Sarah, c'est qui?
suffit.
Oh,
Moi, j'ai tout pareil. Wow, t'as des bonbons dans ta main. Non, c'est une garde de mousse.
Ludo, Mélissa. Ça.
C'est choupi.
Maman.
Choupi, Sarah. Wow. Uncle Sarah. Oh my gosh.
De reprendre, mais après, elle voit un nouveau cadeau.
Turn around, let me see you.
Là. Oh non.
Noémie, elle a vu une grosse faute, elle a dit c'est Noémie qui a écrit. J'ai dit c'est sûrement pas moi.
On s'en sait.
Tyler, c'est Tata talking to you.
J'ai quand même eu une bébé.
Oh my
C'est qui
god.
ça?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh gosh, Tyler, turn around, let me see your Ty. Tyler. Ty.
Oh, mais je l'ai.
Turn, let me see yours. What's that?
Je l'ai eu hier, ça.
Haha.
C'est violet.
Hmm?
Je l'ai eu hier.
Your doll is right. Elle veut les bébés. You want your doll? Là, il est là. Elle est là.
Sarah.
Oh my gosh, Sarah.
Il y a pas écrit Sarah.
Mais ça dans tes gâteaux, malades.
Et de Sarah.
Mamie.
Wow. Attends, doucement. Wow. Wow, Sarah. Doucement, Sarah. Oh. C'est un sac.
Mario, c'est
Ouais, si, bien ça, faire sauver après.
Comme ça, elle vient.
Wow. Wow. Everybody has left the chat and the cousins are playing
parce que c'est
as loud and as happy as can be with grandma.
sortir. Mais là-bas,
Look at
il y a
this.
c'est 4. Et là,
1, 2, 3, 4, tu te dégages.
You guys know my mother-in-law go all out with her Christmas decorations each year.
1, 2, 3, 4. Tu l'as dégommé, il est reparti se coucher.
They're playing. What they playing?
3 et 2.
Comment they play with the little horse? Normally it's four. I think you like this game, no?
C'est quoi ils jouent, maman?
Comment on
C'est
appelle
quoi
ça,
le
les chevaux, les petits chevaux?
Le jeu du dada.
Le jeu de quoi?
The little horse, le jeu de dada.
Allez, à
Normally the blue and the yellow is the little horse.
Oh, I can't see from here.
I think you like this one.
Ok. C'est quoi en anglais?
6.
Tu as connu?
Le Lido,
Et rejoue.
Ludo.
Et tu
Oh,
rejoues.
Ludi!
et tu refais quoi?
Ok, peut-être.
C'est 6, c'est comme ça.
Tu sais, maman, il y a une jeu en anglais, ça s'appelle Ludo.
Ah ouais?
Oui.
Attends.
Mais il est en nom différent en français.
Mais finis d'abord celui-là.
Non, Ludo aussi.
C'est Ludo aussi?
Avance, hein.
Ok. Il a le même jeu en français.
Oui, t'as un jeu qui
Le
s'appelle
Ludo,
le
oui,
Ludo.
c'est avec les...
C'est quoi tu manges?
Du fromage, ça s'appelle du fromage.
C'est quel fromage?
Avec
Le quoi?
bleu.
De la
Oh là, je n'aime pas ça. He's eating blue cheese. And daughter is here. Daughter is feeling a little bit better. Oh, update on that. So, before we got to my mother-in-law, we got here pretty late. We reached late. When we reached, everybody's face was like, where were you guys? But, as you guys may or may not know, Sarah and I haven't been feeling well. Tyler too, but for the most part, it's Sarah and I that's been feeling the most when it comes down to pain. So we've been having ear pain and throat pain. For me, it's my tonsil. And I know this normally attack me like 2-3 times for the year. But it's the first time that my tonsil attacks me. And it's thick around this long, and my ears hurt me along with my throat. It's the first time that my ears hurt. Sarah has been crying for her ears since I think 2 days ago, or no, yesterday when we arrived. So yes, 2 days ago because yesterday and today. So I did not bring anything for her ears. But the good thing is, my brother-in-law, who you guys saw in yesterday's vlog, is a doctor. Not my husband brother, but my husband's sister baby daddy is a doctor. So we went to see him today after he heard about Sarah, and he examined both of us, and only to find out that we do not have an ear infection. Both of us don't have ear infection, but we have a bacteria throat infection, which is contagious. So I guess that's why both of us is sick. He said Sarah is definitely feeling pain in her throat, but she probably can't say it that she's feeling pain in her throat, but she keep on telling me that she's feeling pain in her ears since last night. So my sister-in-law actually had went yesterday and got something for Sarah's ears, like an ear drop to help the ear pain, but only to come to find out that we both don't have ear infection, but we have throat infection, and that's why the ear is hurting. Yes, Sarah? Please? Honey, your daughter need water. Where's our water? There's water here. Come, see water here. This water. Drink water. She want water. You're getting what? Yeah, for the time being, I need to work. So what I was telling you guys, that we don't have ear infection, but because the throat is paining so much, he said it's coordinating with the ears to make the ears hurt, but it's not, we both do not have infection, but we have bacteria throat infection. So we both got antibiotics and painkiller to help with the ear pain, but it's not ear infection. So we both took our antibiotics first dose. We take 2 times per day, so we didn't have to really go into a doctor office and stuff like that. So thank God we have him in the family where he's close by, where we just stopped by earlier today. So that's why we reached to dinner late. It was actually supposed to be to lunch, and we didn't get here until like 3:30, when we were actually supposed to be here by 12:30, 1 o'clock. Anyways, that's done, and that's that. I don't have to go to the doctor tomorrow because I now know what's going on. So he said by next 2 to 3 days my throat should be fully better and Sarah should be better. Anyway, you guys, everybody's gone who was here for dinner, and we're wrapping up Christmas Day vlog. The kids got lots more gifts. I do not know how we're gonna take them home. I say this every year until we change our car. It's gonna be a catastrophe to go home every time, but we'll figure it out. Mel always figure it out, and we always pack that car, girl. I always pack that car because honey child. Anyway, it has been another year. Amazing seeing the family, especially mama. Love you guys. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, catch up and keep up, and hope you guys had a Merry Christmas, and we of course see you guys tomorrow. Hey, say bye. Just give it a kind It's almost 2023, you're still giving trouble, eh?